Cernunnos is a fascinating deity from Celtic mythology, often referred to as the Horned One. He is widely recognized as the god of nature, fertility, and wild things. Cernunnos is typically depicted with stag antlers on his head, symbolizing his connection to nature and animals. He is often shown seated cross-legged, holding a torque, which is a sacred neck ornament, and a ram-horned serpent. These symbols emphasize his role as a protector of wildlife and a mediator between the human and natural worlds. The earliest known depictions of Cernunnos date back to around the 1st century BCE, found in places like Val Camonica in northern Italy and the Gundestrup Cauldron in Denmark. His name is most clearly attested on the 1st century pillar of the boatman from Paris. Cernunnos was worshipped primarily in Britain and Gaul, now modern-day France, though traces of his cult have been found in other parts of Europe. He was revered as a powerful and archaic deity, embodying the untamed aspects of nature. His worship often involved rituals to ensure fertility and abundance in both the natural world and human endeavors. In contemporary paganism, Cernunnos is often honored as a symbol of the wild, untamed aspects of nature and the cycle of life and death. He is celebrated in various rituals and festivals, particularly those that mark the changing seasons. Cernunnos remains a powerful and evocative figure, representing the deep connection between humans and the natural world. In modern paganism, Cernunnos is revered as a powerful and multifaceted deity. Cernunnos is often seen as a god of nature, embodying the wild, untamed aspects of the natural world. He is associated with fertility, life, and the cycles of nature. His imagery, which includes antlers and animals, highlights his role as a protector of wildlife and a symbol of the Earth's abundance. Cernunnos represents the balance between life and death, reflecting the cyclical nature of existence. This duality is central to many pagan beliefs, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all life and the continuous cycle of birth, growth, death, and rebirth. Pagans often honor Cernunnos during seasonal festivals that mark the changing of the seasons, such as Beltane and Samhain. These celebrations recognize his influence over the fertility of the earth and the renewal of life. For many modern pagans, Cernunnos serves as an archetype for connecting with the earth and embracing one's inner wildness. He encourages a deep, personal relationship with nature and the recognition of humanity's place within the natural world. Cernunnos remains a significant figure in contemporary pagan practices, symbolizing the sacredness of nature and the cycles that sustain life. Next time you are surrounded by nature, take a moment to reflect on the connection between you and the nature, beauty, and balance of the world.